Okay, we have a package, and I think it includes my new eyepieces for the telescope. So let me open it and see what is inside. I have to use both hands. Okay, let's see what is inside. Oh, there is another. Oh, some color. Astronomy and color. They don't go together well, especially if you're using a visual telescope. Look at the package. Beautiful orange color. Ah, look at this. Professional. So beautiful. Oh, quite really. Yeah, that's the beauty of this. Ah, let me put the box away and just look at this orange box. And now I have removed the packaging, and let us open the beautiful box. That's very elegant for a telescope. Oh, is it a telescope or an eyepiece inside it? Ooh. Oh. Look at this eyepiece. Can I open it completely? Ah. This is massive. It's 1 kilo. Look at this eyepiece. This is, if you think this is big, take this one. Massive. Oh, let me bring something for a scale to show you. Okay, just for the sake of the scale, I put a bottle of Pepsi Cola here. This is Pepsi. Okay, this is Pepsi. And this is the eyepiece. I take this eyepiece out and look at it. Oops, that's heavy, I'm telling you. Look, Pepsi and eyepiece. I think the weight of that eyepiece is equal to around 4 cans of drinks. This is a Maxvision fully multi-coated 82 degrees 24mm eyepiece. If I remove the lens cap, see the size of the eyepiece. Quite impressive. And if you look at the other side of it, this is almost like a telescope itself. Okay, I'll put now the dust caps of this one back, and I will look at the other eyepiece. Okay, I'll put the Pepsi back for the scale, and this is the second eyepiece. Let us see. This is a Maxvision fully multi-coated 68 degrees 34mm. That's even wider angle than that other one. And I'm telling you, this is made of steel. It's heavy. It's heavy, quite heavy. Chunky. Okay, I'll remove the dust caps and show you the rest of it. The lens of this one, the front lens, is quite huge. Look, such a wide view. I've never seen a eyepiece like that you can see. Even the best microscopes don't have that eyepiece. It's massive eyepiece. And this is the side that you look, actually. But this is the side that goes through the tube of the telescope. That is the best eyepiece I've ever seen. This is for the Mount Palomar. That's for the Keck telescope, if they use visual. for visual thing other than camera and CCTVs. Okay, I'll put that one back now, and we go now to another eyepiece. This is a Hyperion 10mm modular eyepiece. Phantom coating group. As you see, compared to the can of drink, it's the size of the can of drink. And I have to remove the caps, and you can see. This eyepiece is of course 1.4, but you can remove this and make it to 2-inch. And this is the other side of it. And it gives a high magnification but narrower field of view. So these are the 3 eyepieces that I bought from my telescope. Amazing sets of eyepieces, and as you can see, they're amazing. And also this is a mask for blocking the stray lights from entering your field of view when you're looking through this. This one, which is the widest angle one, is excellent for the wearers of the glasses. You don't need anything. You just remove you don't need to remove your glasses if you're a wearer of glasses. But if you're not using glasses, that gives you a whole new world to look into. Overall, I'm really delighted with this purchase. Each one of these is around £200, I think, of these eyepieces. And I got them all 3 for £150. Number 1. As they say, do you like your telescope? Be hot like this. That's a famous song. This is the biggest eyepieces in the history of the universe, probably. Or my universe. Thanks, Maxvision.